Imphal East District Manung Chanba Hotel Pangai Dalaiba Sainik School Imphal da Khangaudan Haurakpa Maina Chakpadagi Raman House Block da Chaona Amang Thokhre Thaudok Thokpham dagi fangba paw amagi matungina Mai Chakpaduna Raman House Dalaiba Class 9 gi hostel saruk khara Class 11 gi hostel gi saruk tangkhai ma amade Class 8 amade Class 12 gi hostel na maina tumna chakhi Mai Chakpadu ngasi numiyungba pung tarani thoirom tabaduaida khunja singna School Authority da paw pirakpadagi khanglakpane Mai Chakpagi paw adu hek khangbaga Manipur Fire Service da paw pibaga loinana School Authority gi maikai dagi su school asigi oina leijaba Mai Chakpa kanbada sizinaba equipment sing sizinaduna mai adu lakshana bahonake adumakpu mai adu chauna chakhalake Tanjadu da Manipur Fire Service ki water tender sing yaushalaktuna mai adu lakshana bahonake Maragaduda Assam Rifles ki maikai digi fire tender amasu tharaktuna mai kanbaduda chauna mateng pangkhi Mai Chakpagi thaudok aduna maram oiraga Raman House ki tin na kuppa yumthak ki saruk sing amangata thoke masigi mathakta mairoi sing uniform amadi lairik na chingba sing mai aduna chakhi School ki staff sing na kanna hona padagi mairoi sing ki polam khara makai di kan mangamoke Mai Chakpaduna maram oiraga kadai fawba Amangata thokan krabage amade mai adugi chapchaba haurokfam khangdoknaba makhata thiba hombagi thabak chatharagani hari laibak fabadi school gi class matam oiba amade board exam leiba maramna mairoi sing asokapan amade asiana yahodabani hari Mai Chakpagi thaudoga sigi matangda Sainik School Imphal gi principal group captain Rajnish Kumar na phongdorakpada ngasi numidung mamatung pang 12 ga minute kundom tabaduaida mai chakle haibagi pawase khunja singna khangalakibane Raman House se Sainik School Imphal campus ke Khanongpok thangba matai da leibane Pawasi hek phangbaga Manipur Fire Service ki team na khonglei thuna yaukshilakuna mai asi lakshin bangam khibane Assam Rifles ki maikai dagi su fire tender tharaktuna mateng pangkhe thaudoga sida mahairoi madi staff singa mata asokapan nang hodaba simak laibak phabane Mai Chakpa se kanna bahona bada Manipur Fire Service amade Assam Rifles na laukiba thaudang singadu mark na thagat phongdorake
In very fast time, the state government fire team has arrived on the spot and they started dousing the fire. Meanwhile, Assam Rifle also has sent the fire team and they also helped in dousing the fire. In this house, the cadets are staying, but none of the cadets has got any sort of injury. All are totally safe. That time, most of the cadets were in the academic block. Yes, the property has been damaged, which is the personal belonging of the cadets, which is their uniform, books and copies. Some we are able to recover, some after some time we'll go inside and see the damage. After that, we will be assessing in totality the damage which has happened.